many of our clients, we're not always the first law firm that has been instructed. It may be that they realise at some point that their previous solicitors have lacked the various expertise or experience to deal with their case effectively, or perhaps they've been satisfied with the length of time that their case has been taking.
It's a really simple process to change solicitors. We would just need you to sign a one-page document. We would then send that form to your former solicitors and they would transfer the file of papers to us. You would still need to pay for the work that your former solicitor has done for you, but that will be included at the end of the case.
Many people don't realise that they don't have to stay with the law firm which has been appointed by their legal expenses insurer. It may be that you have been automatically referred to a law firm by your insurer or by your union perhaps. It's really important and crucial to realise that you always have a choice, and that if you're not happy with your law firm, then you're able to move at any time.
A recent example of mine is a client who had sustained a below-knee amputation in a motorcycle accident. He had initially been referred to a firm of solicitors by his motor insurer. There had been little progress with the case. He'd had limited interim funds, and he was still wearing an ill-fitting NHS prosthetic limb when I first met him. He was actually referred to me by one of his treating therapists. He was also worried about money, and he was living in a home that was completely inaccessible for him. Within weeks of me being able to take over the file, I was able to secure a large interim payment for him, which meant that we were able to secure an accessible rental property for him, and I referred him to a private prosthetic clinic, and he was later fitted with a prosthetic limb. It enabled him to concentrate on his rehabilitation and not worry about when the next bill was going to be paid, because he knew that the funds were there to support him. We then were able to progress the claim, and we secured a 7-figure settlement for him.
If you're going to change solicitor, it's better to do it sooner rather than later, and especially before court proceedings have started.
It is really important to change solicitors as soon as you can in the case, so that we can actually make a difference in terms of how the case is run, but also what amount of compensation we can secure for you, which will make a huge difference to your life.